What's going on, guys? Wanted to kind of go over my Robinhood portfolio again. Kind of wanted to look over the overall weekly progress along with the monthly progress. Wanting to do this so that I can look back on these videos and kind of look at how the progress was going on a week by week basis and a month by month basis, because it often seems like the portfolio is in the red. But going to look back on the month as well, on the month of June, and see how the portfolio did. So diving right in here, you can see that this week was a tough week. The overall performance of the portfolio is down by 2.92%, losing just under $90. Tesla finishing positive here, along with Microsoft, Qualcomm, GE, Vivint Solar finished strong, and for the most part, the performance of the stock market this week was less than average, seeming kind of bearish. Technology stocks not doing so well. Tesla pulling back about $20 or so. They were pushing 400, but they've kind of slowed down a bit here, finishing the week at 362. So if we look at their high for the week, they came into the week at 385. So Tesla pulled back quite a bit, creating opportunity for me to buy in. So I often don't mind seeing my portfolio in the red, because what that means to me that it is a good time to buy. So I often see my portfolio in the red, look over the shares I have with each company, and see which ones are down for me to increase my positions with those companies. Some trades I did make today, I did buy more shares of Ally on their dip. So I kind of bought in at $20.70. I mentioned in a recent video I planned on increasing my position with Ally. So looking forward to some futuristic growth that they may offer me as far as dividends and possible profits with the new Trade King acquisition. Another company in the red, First Solar, I still think this company is doing outstanding. They've often pulled back to $35, but they are holding strong around $40, finishing 12 cents under $40. But I think they will continue to do well. I believe the renewable energy sector is doing much better this year, definitely better than last year. They kind of had a tough time last year. As you can see, their high for 2016 was $70. Now they're all the way down to $39. So I think First Solar is a great undervalued stock right now. So after doing research on them and getting your own take on the company, I would definitely consider buying into them. They do not offer a dividend, so don't expect any dividend payments from them. This is more of a growth stock, so just wanted to mention that. Microsoft pulling back from their lows yesterday, but they are still about $3 under when I bought into them. So hoping for a great turnaround from them. So far this year, they are still up 5%. At their highest point, 10% when they hit $72. And again, this is kind of when I bought in. I bought in when they pulled down the next day, expecting them to continue to climb their way to $80. But as you can see, they're still trending down. Not too concerned with Microsoft. They are a buy and hold kind of company. Really large market cap at more than $500 billion, and they offer a dividend. This company is often positive as well, so not too worried about the pull down of $3 from when I bought in. I definitely see this company pushing $80 to $100, guys. So I usually don't fret about the loss of my portfolio. Like I mentioned, it creates opportunity for me to buy into more shares of companies that I have faith in. But if we look at the monthly progress here, you often have to take a step back and look at what the overall progress is. We had some highs here, but as you can see, we still finished $21 positive for the month of June. So June was still a good month for the stock market. And if we go back 3 months, I am actually up 4.56%, doing slightly better than the S&P 500 index. If we scroll down to them here, they are up for 3 months, 3.13%. So the stocks I am involved in are outperforming the S&P 500 index, and that's kind of what I wanted to set my portfolio up for. So really happy about that. Even though we had a pretty good downturn on the week, the monthly progress is good and the 3-month progress is good. All right, guys, if you have any questions or any comments, please mention them down below. Just wanted to give you guys an updated progress on my portfolio, closing out the week and closing out the month. So, well, that's all, guys. I'll see you in the next one.